Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neha Sultana Narayan Pet. And in today's video, I'm going to show you my third semester unit plan and unit test record book of Method-2, that is social science. Okay. And yes, before we begin, if you haven't watched my Method-1 unit plan and unit test record video yet, then do check it out because I have already uploaded on my channel. That video will also guide you regarding your Method-1 English unit test and unit plan record step by step in a very clear and systematic manner. Okay, so as you can see the video which is already started. So now coming to this record book, this video is going to be a very detailed and comprehensive walkthrough where I'll be, as you can see, I'm showing you how to start writing the unit plan, how to structure the unit test, how to maintain the record neatly, which is very essential, I guess, maintaining your record neatly, okay, and how to organize everything according to the B.Ed third semester requirements. While showing each page, I will also explain the format, presentation style, and the important points through the book, which are essential for writing an impressive and academically well organized record book. So make sure you watch the video till the end, and because every single step is going to be useful for your practical submission. Okay, the chapter which I have selected for this unit plan and unit test are socialization and family relationship from the 9th standard social science syllabus. I have tried to prepare this record in a very precise, elegant, and pedagogical structured manner so that it becomes easy for you to understand and write your own record confidently. Okay, and one more very important thing while preparing your unit test paper, you have to prepare it, the test paper. Okay, you have to prepare it for 25 marks, which I have already attached in this record. Okay, you can see it later. At the end, you also need to prepare the students marks list and rank them according to their performance and positions. Okay, so I will also show you how to do that in a in a simple and organized way. And at last, I genuinely hope this video becomes a valuable academic reference for all B.Ed students out there who are searching for proper guidance regarding unit plan and unit test. So keep watching, take ideas, and use it as a reference. Okay, and write your own record beautifully. And now, without wasting any more time, let us begin today's detailed record walkthrough. And please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any doubts, if you have any queries, then do write me in the comment section and I will answer your queries. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.